Welcome to our channel. Today, we're showcasing the top 6 workshop tools designed to boost your efficiency, precision, and creativity in any project. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Circular Cutter Kit. The DSPIAE MTEC Stepless Circular Cutter Starter Kit is a game changer for model-specific process assembly tasks. Engineered with precision in mind, it allows you to cut perfect circles effortlessly, catering to both hobbyists and professionals. The stepless adjustment mechanism ensures flexibility for various diameters, while the high-quality materials ensure durability and consistent performance. Its ergonomic design offers comfort during extended use, making it ideal for intricate crafting and modeling. Number 5. Multi-Tool Pro. The next tool, New Hand Tools Flagship Pro, is a 16-in-1 multi-tool designed for versatility and reliability. This compact powerhouse includes pliers, a knife, a saw, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, scissors, and more, making it the ultimate EDC tool for outdoor adventures and home repairs. Crafted with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and smooth operation. Its sleek design and lightweight frame make it easy to carry, while its robust functionality ensures you're always prepared for any task. Number 4. Inclined Hole Locator. The aluminum alloy woodworking inclined hole locator is a must-have for woodworking enthusiasts. Its lightweight yet sturdy build allows for free adjustment of 0 to 90-degree hole positions, ensuring precise drilling every time. The clear scale and multi-angle oblique opening make it incredibly user-friendly, while its ability to drill the center of woodworking materials enhances accuracy. Whether you're working on DIY furniture projects or splicing wood, this tool ensures smoother drilling and improved efficiency. Available in multiple colors, it's both practical and visually appealing. Number 3. Electric Dust Collector. The Syntester Electric Drilling Dust Collector takes cleanliness and convenience to the next level. This portable wall suction vacuum tool eliminates dust flying during drilling, ensuring a cleaner workspace. Its built-in laser level and horizontal bubble make it perfect for tasks like furniture installation, decoration, and line positioning. Equipped with an 1800 mAh rechargeable battery and USB charging capability, it's both portable and efficient. The real-time battery indicator and adjustable drill hole diameter add to its functionality, making it a versatile addition to your tool collection. Number 2. Belt Sanding Machine. The 220-volt high-power abrasive belt sanding machine is a powerhouse for woodworking and polishing tasks. Its 0 to 45 degrees angle adjustability offers versatility, allowing you to sand and polish at different angles with ease. The robust motor ensures consistent performance, while the durable construction guarantees longevity. Whether you're working on detailed wood shaping or heavy-duty sanding, this electric woodworking sander is designed to handle it all efficiently, making it an essential tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 1. Sandblasting Gun. The adjustable sandblasting gun is a lightweight portable solution for rust removal, spray polishing, and detailing small metal corners. Its 90 psi air pressure capability ensures powerful performance, while the fully adjustable media flow valve gives you precise control over the blasting process. The all-aluminum body makes it easy to handle, even during extended use. Ideal for tackling larger parts that don't fit in a cabinet, this pneumatic blasting gun is perfect for automotive work, metal detailing, and surface preparation. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.